Hi, it's Steve from Geeks on Tap, and today I'm wearing my sunglasses, and that means we're going to have another serious discussion about security. So, what do I mean by security? Well, it's a lot of things, and everyone is pretty nervous considering it Medibank Private, a data breach, an Optus data breach. And what's not in the news is Google hasn't had a data breach. What we need to talk about is how do we actually incrementally improve things. You're not going to be able to plug everything at once. It's actually quite a complicated situation. How can we help? There is a new security bundle that was released into beta earlier this year. And this security bundle really is a game changer for those of our customers who are on Google Workspace in terms of how you manage Google Drive in particular and document sharing. And the reason this has been developed is that a lot of feedback that Google has been getting from customers is they want more control over who can share what from the organization. Sharing is fantastic, let's face it. You can just go share this document out. It makes everyone so productive. So we've been testing it out. And what we've found is that some of these new features are game changers. And one of them is called trust rules. And the other new feature is called labels. And the labels, for example, can be things like private, confidential, internal only. These are some of the labels we've deployed internally. And then what you can do is use the trust rules to say internal only means cannot share outside of our organisation. The other thing you can do with trust rules is actually start to get down to real compliance. So if you're going for ISO or SOC 2 compliance, these trust rules really help. But even if you're not, I suggest what we do is actually start along the path of engaging with us to do a security workshop. Now, what the workshop would look like is you would get together with the key stakeholders in the organisation, and we'll look at see if you need things like client-side encryption, two-step authentication with things like security keys, like that. Whether you need password management, we internally use LastPass and we can provision that for you. So let's talk about that. Make an appointment with your technical account manager, or just call in 1300 885 489 and talk to anyone here, and we'll be able to take care of your security needs with these brand new features from Google Workspace. Have a great day, have a safe day.